Hello everyone, it's Joy, and today we are going to practice our pronunciation. So we're going to practice our mouth to say the words, and today we're going to practice the sounds I and E. I, E, I, E, I, E. So you're going to see two words, one here and another one here, and these two words are going to have different pronunciations. Now let's practice. Are you ready? Good, let's go. All right, let's start with is, ease, 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 is, ease. Good. Let's try it, eat, eat. Nice job. Let's try this. Pitch, pitch, pitch. How about this? Peach, peach, peach. Pitch, peach, pitch, peach. Wonderful. Next, hill, hill, hill. Nice. And heel, heel, heel. Hill, heel, hill, heel. Good. Now this word, risen, 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 reason, 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 risen, reason, risen, reason. That was great. Now, you tell me which word you hear. Are you ready? All right, here we go. So you see two words, and you need to tell me which one you hear, okay? Ready? Ease, ease. Which one is it? Yes, ease, E sound. Very nice. Next. It, it, it. Which one is it? This one. It, eh. Great work. Next. Peach, peach. Yeah, right here. Peach, peach. You're doing so good. All right, next. Hill, hill, hill. Yes, this one. Hill. Hill, hill. Wonderful job. Okay, the last pair. Reason, reason, reason. Which one is it? This one. reason, 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 E. So, we need to be very careful in saying those two sounds. We have I and E. But you did so good today. Amazing job. I want you to keep on practicing. You can watch this video over and over again, and this will really help you with your pronunciation, your listening skills as well. So I'll see you again next time, and we're going to learn more and practice your pronunciation. Learn with joy. See you later.